Hello. Uh, I'm gonna be playing this game. Yes. It's called Birds on Real. Let's get into it. No. Uh. He hit it. Smack. Oh no. He dead. He's spooky dead, man. Huh. Big bird. Oh. Fucking, oh yeah, I see. It's a rough landing. Let's run a diagnostic scan to see what we're working with. Missing propeller is going to be a problem. Our satellite imaging sits outside of a yard. Locate the gate key and reacquire the propeller. Avoid suspicion at all costs. We cannot allow prying eyes to compromise our mission. Okay. Hello, I'm just a completely normal bird. Hello. P with E. The civilian is suspicious. He'll become hostile soon. I'm a bird. Fuck you. I'm just a completely normal bird here. I'm not suspicious at all. Good work. Your propeller looks to be in working order. That civilian is back. Let's see who they are. This isn't good. Your civilian database has been wiped. You'll need to recover the data yourself. First, place a nano tracker on the target by shitting on them. Second, take a picture of their face. This combination will automatically fill up the target's profile. Okay. Shit combo. Fuck. How to camera? Shit. You forgot to tell me how to take images. Ow. C. James Loser. Well, hello there, James. He's one of the main conspiracists. Keep an eye out for him. You'll be getting a visit. Where you drill safe for yourself. If better agent just attempt to start. Access camera with C. Then work B1 to 2. Continue using your shit tracker. Okay. Party shooter. I don't wanna pop the balloons. Hello. What are you doing on your phone today? Cool. You're my new friend now. How did I? Oh, I need to press E to pop. I thought I needed to shit on them. Hello, fellow citizen. Evage. Oh. There we go. There's tab. Yeah. Hello, fellow beach ball. You're looking at a bird and you're saying, huh? Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing, small child? I'm not gonna take your poppet or whatever the hell. Can I be a bird on a skateboard? Smack. Hey, what the fuck are you doing? Stop. Stop. I'm flying away with my epic skateboard. Bird with a skateboard. Huh? What? Stop shooting things at me. Well, this is it. I'm gonna take a shit on you and then fucking snap you a photo of you. No, no. Stop. Pizza? Can I get pizza? Pizza. What do you mean subject out of bounds? No, I need my rusty trusty skateboard again. There we go. Bird with a skateboard. What do you mean subject hidden? No. The hell do you mean subject? There we go. He's the elitist of them all. No. Stop. Me and my skateboard. No, don't kill me. I'm just a normal fucking bird with a skateboard. Skateboard. You see a bird and you say, huh? What do you mean, huh? What is this? What is this person doing? Like the time is fucking stopped. This is. What do you mean subject hidden? Taraz. No, I died. No, bird. Fuck. No, my skateboard. I want my skateboard back. I want my fucking skateboard back right now. Have you never seen a bird flying around with a skateboard before? I seriously don't get why these people are so suspicious. No, those fucking Amazon drone delivery bots. One skateboard for you. Oh, I missed a trampoline. Fuck. Stupid skateboard. Ah, no. Skateboard. There you go. Will it bounce? Hello, Mr. Chef. Would you like to get absolutely shit on? Oh, great! I mean, face not detected. That's a good enough face. Avage. Fuck you, Avage. How is the face detected in that, but not in the other thingy? He was quite literally looking away with the other one when the entire body was, you know, entire body was ripped to pieces. Am I not supposed to be up here? Huh? Am I going to hell? The hell? I can't see anything. Okay, I'm just gonna go this way. Any farther and you'll crash? Aw, that's sad. Hot dog. That was actually a fucking thingy that I needed to do. I actually needed to find hot dogs. Oh wait, I also needed to tear down this birds. No, stop. You shall not throw stuff at me or else I will shit at you. Oh shit, they pissed. It's kind of like Untitled Goose Game, but 3D and worse. Skateboard! Imagine if someone was on that fucking skateboard. Oh, it's not fair. No. Would you like a skateboard? No? Shit. Why are you questioning a bird with a fucking skateboard? Don't question anything. No, don't get mad. What the hell are you doing? Oh. What do you mean subject hidden? It's about as unhidden as you can fucking get. Camage? Isn't fucking... Don't I already have camage? Photos? Have... What do you mean? Subject hidden. What do you mean subject hidden? I'm just like your normal I'm just your everyday bird with a skateboard. Where the hell is he? No. I see a miner. And a miner. A bird. I see a miner and a miner. Double kill. Destroy all fake birds. I'm not a fake bird, I'm just a bird with a skateboard.
Look behind you.
I'm a bird with a skateboard. Wow, so cool. Gesture hat, drop heavy items on its townsfolk. Sure, I'll drop some skateboards. Please no, I don't want to die. This skateboard. Ow. Skateboard. I want to be a bird with a skateboard. Because that would be epic. Give me my skateboard. Thank you. What? Mine. There we go. No, I just skateboard. No. Those billboards are living birds of bad name. Keep them over. Does Coca-Cola work? Well, I don't have any spray cans or anything. Coca-Cola will do the job, I think. Oh wait, wrong type of poster. I didn't even notice. fake birds, you know? And get a spray can or a brush. Yeah, that's good enough for a spray can. Hold E to vandalize. Destroy all. People. Oh no. I only wish to prove that. Where is it? Please? I don't want people to be happy? That's weird. Anti-bird poster. Bye-bye. Well, I can't get a screwdriver, but I can... What do you mean, hey? Bro, I'm fixing your fucking place. Elon. Hot dog. I would think that the child had a tablet. Wait, can I go first person? I can't. First person bird, that would be... Where did the tablet go? E. Skateboard, skateboard, Give me your iPad. Tablet. I'm calling the police. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.